Now, NIO, largest delivery center in Shanghai, just won an award for workplace interior, which is massive. I mean, you will know that this NIO hub, or this delivery center in Shanghai, covers around 12,000 square meters, and to see it winning this competition, I suppose, I mean it is expected. NIO is a premium high-end car, and therefore whatever they sell, wherever they sell their cars, wherever the infrastructure they build, they're supposed to be top notch, right? Which is something that I don't think it is something that is unexpected for NIO to even get prizes or awards, even when it comes to their infrastructure. I mean, NIO is the best high end, and it obviously makes sense that they win some of these awards as they are top end or high end premium car maker, right? I mean, these delivery centers is where those that order the NIO cars get their cars. And recently, I think I've shared a couple of pictures of latest some of the delivery centers in China, where we are seeing that fully pegged NIO is delivering as many vehicles as possible, which is signaling, of course, another 20,000 for the NIO models only this month, which is something that we look forward to, and this will also be signaled or be confirmed by the insurance registrations we usually get on a week to week. So I am happy, I am excited to see NIO continuing winning their awards. I mean, we get to see NIO winning awards onto cars, and now seeing NIO winning awards onto their buildings or onto their infrastructure. I mean, it is something that is just so incredible and amazing to see the kind of a company NIO is becoming. This is what we read about today, and hopefully NIO continues of course, making their infrastructure goals with their name or represent their status, because I think everyone out there globally who knows about NIO knows one thing, and that is a premium brand, and therefore not so many people, when you talk about NIO, you must talk about Mercedes, you must talk about BMW, you must talk about Lexus, you must talk about Range Rover and the others. And seeing them winning, I think it is something that is pretty interesting. I mean, every week we are getting to see NIO getting some sort of acknowledgement from the industry as a whole. I mean, last week we were talking about the Euro NCAP ratings, which of course NIO scored the highest, or got scooped the highest score when it comes to the front impact, which is something that shows you the kind of quality that NIO is building, the kind of quality that NIO is putting onto their cars, and knowing that right now, if in their infrastructure, their buildings, it is receiving awards, that should tell you something about NIO. That should tell you that what the new president was saying about making sure that they do not want to compromise on their reputation. It shows, this proves that they mean business and they want to be at the top. When you talk about high-end EVs, they want to be there. When you talk about, of course, the mass market brands, they want to be there, because you know that they've launched, they are currently in the process of launching the second sub-brand model called Firefly, and they've already launched their first of course sub-brand, namely Onvo, which they will make sure that they have got a very good solid market share, which is something that we look forward to. So I'm happy, man. I know that the share price of NIO, as I'm doing this video, is down 1%, and some of the investors might be panicking, thinking that it has to do with NIO, which I have to tell you something, that this has got nothing to do with NIO. NIO is a company that is becoming stronger. NIO is a giant in the making, and the share price is not reflecting the actual fundamentals that we are seeing onto NIO. So every day we are reading good stuff about NIO, but yet the market has not yet realized the potential that lies within this stock. But I tell you, in the near future, it will realize and will readjust. Share price will recover. We will not stay at the bottom forever. I know this might be very difficult to believe at this current moment. I mean, when I tell you these low trading price are opportunities to load the boat, to scoop more shares, to some others this might not make sense at all, because NIO is one of the stocks that has been beaten quite sharply. In fact, all of the Chinese equities have been slashed quite sharply in recent years, which is something that, of course, their time will come. They will recover And of course, there are those companies that might not recover as the way some others will, like NIO. NIO is one of the companies that so many of the investors are expecting a lot because of the kind of company NIO has become, because of the kind of results that NIO is able to achieve, the execution, whatever they are doing that is in the ground. It is the one that is making them to produce the kind of deliveries, the kind of results that we are seeing on a day-to-day. Battery swapping station after sales, we are seeing NIO continuing to maintain their high-end brand, which continues to be one of the things that attract customers, Chinese consumers, to come and buy the NIO cars. And I tell you, these are all catalysts that will continue making NIO to flourish even in the future. So share price wise, I know we might be at the bottom, we might not be performing as what many people want, but the good thing, or one thing that gives us a bit of a relief, is that many big financial institutions, or majority of the big financial institutions who have weighed NIO, they are saying it is a buy rating with a price target close to $10. I mean, most of them right now, their price target onto NIO, I think the lowest is like $8, with most analysts at almost $10 price target, which, yeah man, this gives us some relief, or it gives us the confidence over and above the fundamentals that we see, to say that even the big financial institutions right now, they see the potential that lies within the NIO stock, which is why they're giving it a pretty decent price target. So tell me what you think, man. Just thought I'd just give you this quick update. I think this tells us that blue sky is coming. NIO is a company which is set for greatness. Those that are persevering will definitely be rewarded in the long term. Just do me one favor. I'll just ask one thing. Don't forget to hit that like button, comment, subscribe, and once you subscribe, don't forget to hit or click that notification bell so that at least you get notified by YouTube every time I drop a new content, because on this channel, NIO, it is a stock that I talk a lot about, because I believe in their fundamentals, their future prospects, and those that are persevering throughout the headwinds of the share price will definitely be rewarded. Otherwise, that's all from me, and God bless you all.